Separation of a mixture of two immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids, the liquids which are not mixed together, which form two distinct separate layers. That separation is done by using separating funnel. The separation of two immiscible liquids is based on the difference in their densities. The apparatus used for separation is separating funnel. It is a long glass tube provided with a tap at its bottom. Method. Here two different immiscible liquids will be taken which will be separated by separating funnel. Close the tap of separating funnel and clamp it in a vertical position in an iron stand. Pour the immiscible liquid mixture, for example benzene and water mixture, in the separating funnel, then allow the mixture to stand for half an hour or more. Here the immiscible components of the mixture, that is benzene and water, separate out into two distinct layers. The benzene forms the lighter layer on the top and the water forms the heavier layer at the bottom. Then place a conical flask or a beaker under the nozzle of the separating funnel. Turn the tap gently so that the water trickles in the flask or the beaker drop by drop. Once the water is drained out, the tap is closed. After water is drained out, another conical flask or beaker is placed under the nozzle of separating funnel. Then tap is opened to drain out the benzene. The diagram of the process is as follows. Following are the examples of different immiscible liquids which can be separated by separating funnel. Mixture is benzene and water mixture. The heavier liquid is water. It forms the lower layer, and a lighter liquid is benzene. It forms the upper layer. Next example is kerosene oil and water. The heavier liquid is water. It forms the lower layer, and lighter liquid is kerosene oil. It forms the upper layer. The next mixture is turpentine oil and water. The heavier liquid is again water, which makes the lower layer, and lighter liquid is turpentine oil, which makes the upper layer. Next mixture is chloroform and water. The heavier liquid is chloroform, which makes the lower layer, and lighter liquid is water, which makes up. Next example is mustard oil and water. Water being heavier forms a lower layer, and lighter liquid is mustard oil, which makes the upper layer. Then applications of this method: for separating any two immiscible liquids. For separation of slag, a waste material, from the molten metals during their extraction. For example, during extraction of iron from its ore, molten iron slag collect at the base of blast furnace. As slag, being less dense, floats up the surface of molten iron, they are drained out from two different outlets.